back in action here on the Laser. Last time we visited, we were having a little issue of it breaking up and misfiring and kind of doing a stumble surge at higher RPM, you know, anything 3,500 or up. Should be kind of shooting ducks. So we're going to replace plugs, wires, cap, rotor, ignition coil, and the pickup coil as well in the distributor. Just because while we're in there, let's do it to it. Alright, first things first, there's a little cover here for the distributor and all of its goodies, which we need to take off. Very simply, 2 screws, pull it back, good to go. Number 1 is over here, number 2, number 4, and number 3. So 2 and 4 are here in the front, with the vent in between them, 1 and 3 at the back. Take a picture for reference, in case you can't remember, or you're just like me and you have 50,000 things on your mind at once. So we got that done. Also, unhook the water temp sender, quick, easy way you can get that wiring out of your way. All right, so our next step will be remove the cap and the plug wires. That's done. We'll pull off our rotor right there. All right, now what do we got to play with? As you can see, it triggers very similar to like a Pertronix, as it's a Hall effect sensor. So there's a spring clip that retains the pickup coil. That comes out nice and easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That comes out, and then we get ready to put our new one in. All right, there's our brand new pickup coil. There's our original pickup coil. There's 2 sets of connectors. 1, 2. I'm gonna pull them off of here. They actually live on our cover here, so I need to undo that screw, pull that off. And then the other guy is right there. Get those babies set up. Remember, the black one goes on the right side of our cover, and the gray one goes through this little clip on the left side, which would be the passenger side, driver side. Before we hook up our wiring, we're gonna put our brand new rotor on. There's a notch. They only go one way. And of course it's gonna want to battle because there it goes. It's gonna say nothing ever wants to work right. Now we're gonna put our cap on too, run our wires. The last thing we'll do is hook up our pickup coil. Cap's on. Gonna pull our spark plugs, get our new ones in, then we'll do our plug wires, hook everything up here, and replace this ignition coil. All right, here's our plugs out. There are in 12 ICs. Almost looking a little on the lean side. But not terrible overall. Now the recommended plug is an RN14 YC, which is actually a little bit hotter of a plug, which might actually help us here. Plugs are in, cap is on, got our coil wire on this side, ready to go. Gonna put our plug wires on, and then we're gonna light this candle after we replace this, of course. Plug wires on. put the cover back and then do the coil. Time to remove our coil. Obviously, we need to take our electrical off first. There's 2 nuts. And we got 1 nut here to pull this bracket off. And then, or 1 bolt rather. We undo the screw, swap that out, pop a new one in, and we're done. All right, we've got our coil out of our bracket. There's our new coil. Positive, negative, positive, negative. That's gonna go there, and away we go. Already seems smoother. Yay! We're ready to get the temp and go for a drive. All right, if you remember last time, this baby'd start breaking up about 3,400 RPM in a wide open pull. We got ourselves a happy camper. No more shooting ducks. Nice solid pulls, nice and clean. I love it.